So this closet behind me is driving me absolutely insane, and it has been for a while. So we're going to tackle it today. Yeah, I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to reorganize and declutter and make it function a lot better. Okay, let's go. Hey friends, if your home feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Today, I'm tackling this cluttered entryway closet that has been driving me crazy with my 5-minute declutter challenge. It's amazing what a few minutes can do to refresh a space, so grab a timer and let's do it together. Okay, so apparently Goose wants to help, and I'm gonna start on this cart. We used to use it for, we still use it for homeschool. We used to like wheel it out every day, but now that our baby is like mobile, he is just drawn to it and just pulls everything off. And so it doesn't really work to pull it out every day, but I might just like, I'm not sure how to make that work the best. What are you doing? I don't want you in my face. Thank you. Can you go lay down? The key to this challenge is keeping it simple. I'm setting a 5-minute timer because 5 minutes feels doable, right? We don't need a full day to make a difference. One of my favorite quotes is, "We greatly overestimate how much we can get done in a day, and we greatly underestimate how much we can get done in a year." Pick a space in your home and start with me. I always start by pulling things out so I can see exactly what I'm working with. In this closet, we have homeschool supplies, backpacks, coats, and a whole lot of randomness. The easy way to declutter quickly is to sort into 3 piles. Keep, these go back, but in an organized way. Donate, anything we don't use or need, someone else might. Trash, broken, expired, or things that have no purpose anymore. There can be a 4th pile, but we'll get to that later. The 4th pile I was talking about earlier is the time will tell bin. I like to use this when there's something that I'm like, I don't really want to get rid of it yet, but we haven't used it in a while. So I have a bin down in our basement that I put things in to kind of test out and see if I'm going to want to use it again. And it has a specific like date on it. And if that date comes, anything in that box that hasn't been pulled out gets donated. Once I've decluttered, I take a minute to organize what's left. We have a 3-tiered cart that we use for homeschool supplies and also a bag for other homeschool supplies. We have a hook for coats and we have a shelf for backpacks and bags. A few simple changes make it so much easier to find what we need. And just like that, 5 minutes later, the closet is so much better. No more clutter, everything has a place, and it feels so much lighter. It's proof that you don't need hours, just a few minutes can make a real difference. Okay, now it's your turn. Pick a small space, set a 5-minute timer, and let me know in the comments what you decluttered today. If you loved this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple homemaking tips. I'll see you in the next one.